Well, this is my one-take vlog for today. Check it out. I'm outside of Manzanita Hall, and the fire alarm's gone off. They got the police cruiser, 2 police cruisers, and a fire truck out here. Don't exactly know what's going on, but yeah, we were in the middle of reviewing for our final, and all of a sudden, the alarm went off. Wait, sounds like they shut off the alarm. The lights are still blinking, but the alarm went off. It's like literally the alarm sounded like something for like The Walking Dead or something. It was really weird. So anyways, this is my one-take vlog for today. See y'all tomorrow.